We'll see. Hey guys. Okay, hold on a second. Whoa. Let's do these really quick. These three. Stop checking your answer sheet. Let's look at these really quick. I really like your Cleveland Browns t-shirt though.
Just talking about
Dang kids.
I heard Chubb's having a good year pitching.
Wait, now I'm confused.
What'd you hear?
Nick Chubb's having a great year pitching.
I can't believe they got rid of Mayfield as a catcher. He was good.
Yeah. No, I think they got
He was
him.
really like the catcher I consider the quarterback of the team. Defensively, he was doing a good job.
Yeah. Shoulder issues,
Did you get that?
Never mind. I was wrong.
That's unfortunate.
Okay, I'll give you a minute and we'll start these. I think you guys had 11 problems to do last night after the ones we did in class.
Never supposed to move that.
Nice toss, William. You better chill.
I'm scared.
Six times 4 is 24.
Oh, shamalama. Bailey, do not throw your pencils. Jim and Christmas, you got to climb off your seat, get the ladder, get back up. All right, guys, just for sake of time, just stop where you're at on these. And let's, I think, there was no. All right. 180. What's it break into? 18 and 10. Keep going. 9 and 2.
5. 3 times 3.
2 and 5. Whoa, come on, sister. So 1, 2. There it is right there. So I can take a 3 out and a 2 out. What's 3 times 2? Times 4?
24.
What's under the radical?
5.
There she is. There she blows. Okay, guys, what perfect square goes into 24?
6. 4. It's 4 and 6.
4.
And 16.
4, right? What's the square root of 4?
2.
Guys, everybody good with that? Take a 2 out. What's 2 times negative 2, guys?
Negative 4.
Radical 6. What perfect square goes into 54? 9 and 6. Good job, guys. 9 and 6. What's the square root of 9? 5 times 3? radical sixer. Okay, now we can add them together now because they're like terms. They were before, we just didn't recognize it. Okay, so Bailey, what's your final answer here? Yeah. Easy, Sister Sledge. -4 plus 15. What's 15 minus 4? That's really what you're doing. It'd be 11 what? Whoa. 11 square root of 6, right? 11 square root of 6. Okay, is everybody good with that? Now, guys, number 3 is a skill you have to be able to do tomorrow. Okay? We need the FOIL. We need the FOIL. Okay, what's 2 times 8, guys? Okay? What's 2 times, think of a -1 there. What's 2 times -1? -2, and then the radical just goes with the ride. Okay? Okay, what's 4 times 8? Plus 32, and then the radical goes for the ride. Okay, what's radical? Wait a minute. Okay, right here. What's 4 times -1?
-4 radical.
Okay, what's radical 3 times radical 3? 3, so it's really this times that. Which turns into what? -12. -12. Okay? All right, so what's 16 minus 12? Okay, what's -2 radical 3 plus 32 radical 3? 30 plus 30 square root of 3. Yes? Is that the first one? Okay, are we okay on, what is that, 49 times 2? So 7 square root of 2? Yep. Are we okay on, well, which one do you want to see? We'll just take questions. I heard a niner. A niner. There's a niner. Does anybody know, speaking of niners, does anybody know why the San Francisco football team was nicknamed the 49ers? Anybody?
Is it because of like a gold there?
The gold rush of what year?
49.
What year?
1949.
1949?
1846.
1849.
What are the colors?
Red and gold.
Or maroon.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of like maroon and gold. Yeah. Do you know what you can thank the miners for? They kind of were invented out there for the miners that you guys wear all the time.
Pants.
Denim jeans were invented for the miners because they were durable and stuff. All right, enough of that. Okay. What perfect square goes into 18, guys? 9 times 2?
Yep.
Okay, I'll just write 9 times 2 up here. What's a square root of 9 is what? Okay, I'm taking a 3 out. What's out already?
4.
Okay, so this should simplify to that. Okay? Is everybody okay with that? Okay, what perfect square goes into 50, guys?
25 and 2.
Okay, so I'm going to write 25 times 2. Square root of 25 is what?
5.
Times 3?
15.
Bless you. Gosh, who was that? Mary, let it out. You're going to blow up.
Marionettes.
Okay? I just want to see your new glasses laying there and you're gone. Okay, now you can add them up. Add them up. Okay. Evan, what do we got then?
27 square root of 2.
Next one you guys want to see? Please ask. Tomorrow's the test. Huh? Dos?
3. Trust.
Trust.
10.
Trace. You say 10?
Yep.
We'll go back. Just remember that. Okay, 10. Does it? Okay, all of them are going to have a B in it, right? All right. What's perfect square goes into 12, guys? Is it 4? 4 times 3?
Yeah.
What's the square root of 4?
2.
Is everybody good with that? What perfect square goes into 75? 25 times what? 3? What's the square root of 25?
5.
Times 4.
20.
And what perfect square goes into 48? 16?
12.
16?
2.
16 times what?
3.
What's square root of 16?
4.
What's 4 times negative 3?
Negative 12.
There you go, right there. They're all 3 like terms. So you just add and subtract the numbers in front. Okay? So what do we got, Zach? 22 minus 12 is what? 10. Radical 3b. Now, 11 was different on yours. I know the right answer was on the test there, or on the answer sheet. Okay. You said 3.
Yeah.
There's 3 on this one or this one? What'd you write down? What was your answer?
Oh, I got it right. I just wanted to see. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, very nice.
What, dude? I didn't think the Indians were the Browns.
You can't say anything for a while. You kind of lost your privilege of kind of putting him down for a while.
I didn't think the Indians had a logo.
Like I said, stop saying that.
What's the Browns over there?
But they really don't have one. They have that guy that
So
looks
the
like.
Browns
See, that's-
don't.
that's-
That's
no,
I got it mixed up.
Right here, look.
But they kind of,
It's a mascot.
they kind of do. You see them with the bulldog because of the dog pound kind of thing, and you see that kind of like a gremlin looking guy. They've had that for years too.
An elf?
An elf gremlin looking dude. All right, guys, how many pairs do I? Any pair I'm going to circle. Okay. Are you doing this? Yes, you are.
I'm messing with you.
You are messing.
What is that?
That was a cover up.
Okay. If I have a pair of 5s, 1 can come out, right? How many pairs of A's are there? 2. What's left over?
3.
The only thing is an A. How many pairs of B's?
3.
There's your answer.
That's so good. Oh, for like
Does anybody have any question besides Mary? I'm just kidding, Mary. What's up?
For like 12, 13, the ones where you have to multiply, I got like the answer, but I didn't simplify it fully, I guess.
You won't get all the points, Mary. You got to be careful.
I know, but
Which one do you want to look at, Mary?
13.
Okay, hang on a sec.
I don't know how to simplify
All right.
it further.
This one here. I'll tell you what I would do. first. You don't have to. I would try to simplify before I multiply. Does that make sense? Like 12, isn't 4 times 3? 4 is perfect square, right? So I would simplify this one here. Square root of this is this. That simplifies to that. 15 does not simplify. Okay, it's just easier to simplify after we're done. Does that make sense? So we have this and this times each other. Okay, now outside times outside, I only have a 2. What's 15 times 3?
45.
Mary. 45. Y squared, right? Okay. What perfect square goes in the 45? Well, what times what's 45? 5 and 9. 9's a perfect square, right? What's square root of 9? What's 2 times 3? Okay. 3. What's that? 5 inside. What's y squared? What comes out? There's your answer. Now, if you go this, 12 times 15 is how much? 180. Okay, if you have this, okay, then just do a factor tree. I just broke it down where they're not as big as numbers. Okay. Didn't we fact? Will you stop that, Logan? What goes into 180? Okay. Whoops. And then we just keep what? Didn't we break down 180 already?
Yeah.
Thought we did. 2 times 9, 3 times 3, 2 times 5. Okay. So I got a pair of 2s and a pair of 3s, 5 under. Okay. So a pair. Okay. What's out already? Nothing, right? Oh, we just started. Okay. Nothing's out. So what's 2 times 3? 6. What's under? 5. And then what else comes out? There you go. Get the same answer. I think it's easier reducing before you multiply and get a big number, but you can, if you do factor trees, you can still do it. Yeah.
Can you do 15?
I know I did them.
We did them all together, Mr. Westfall. And who knows where they need to be in an organized place.
Yeah, I'll do that next time.
Can you do 15?
I think it's on the next one. There it is. Okay, guys, whenever you see this with squared, what do we have to do? Write it down what? Twice. Then we're going to FOIL. So it's this, square root of 6 minus 5, square root of 6 minus 5. Boom. Okay? All right. Makana, what's square root of 6 times square root of 6? What was the shortcut we taught you, remember?
6.
It's just 6. What's square root of 6 times negative 5?
Negative 5 radical 6.
Same thing here? Oh, come on. And then what's negative 5 times negative 5?
25.
Okay, and then are you okay up to that point? Okay, then you just combine like terms. What's 6 plus 5? Or 25 on the ends, right? What do you got there? 31. And then these are like terms. Just add them. Just add your, what's negative 5 minus 5? No, it's plus 5. It's going to go farther negative. Negative 5 plus 5 is 0.
10.
What?
Radical 6.
What else?
Yeah.
It's your test, not mine. You guys are good?
17.
Oh,
just did that so
That's
much.
weird.
Yeah, we did
We're
it
not even
together.
fun together.
Oh, okay.
Mick,
Let's do it again.
I haven't seen her. I have. She's turned around and snap. Are you okay?
I don't know.
I didn't know you had that in you. Did she shout any obscenities at you?
I don't know.
Wow. Wow. No. Anybody else? You guys are okay? Pass the answer sheets over to GOAT boy.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Joe.
we were talking about goats in Spanish.
Oh yes.
Oh.
What's goat in Spanish?
I don't know.
We were just talking about how they're invasive to Guatemala.
They're what?
They're invasive to Guatemala.
It's
Oh, the Galapagos Islands.
Why are they invasive?
Because a bunch of people
young
took
bunch of goats.
this guy, brought these goats in, they just completely
Took over like vegetation and stuff.
Yeah, and they're taking the food away from the monkeys.
they're like the jumping
Them
goats.
son. Nobody takes food away from turtles. You guys know that's the oldest living thing is a giant tortoise. Yeah. Maybe like what, 160 years old or something.
They're so cute. My favorite one's a little one for people.
Mr. Westfall.
What do you like?
It's not
Tyrannosaurus Rex.